How to fix Snapchat being slow on Snapchat. Today guys, I have this solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications, and on apps or application go and search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this and go to storage here, and on storage go to clear data, click OK, then back again and click for stop and click OK. Then you will go to Play Store and update Snap again, and that's it, your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.